Welcome to 902 East Cedar Street, one of Sequim's coveted tree streets close to everything. Enjoy the modern comforts of an energy-efficient heat pump and relish the appeal of new flooring and fresh interior paint. Vaulted ceilings and plantation shutters which add character and privacy. The garden window is the perfect place to grow an herb garden. All appliances stay, including the washer-dryer. There are 2 huge primary suites with ample storage, plus a guest room to use as an office, creative, or fitness space. Notice the no-mow yard? This design will leave you more time to do all the activities you love. Located less than 1 mile from shopping, Sequim dining, coffee, the Olympic Discovery Trail, and the locally famous farmers market. Come enjoy the good life in sunny Sequim, Washington.